Welcome guys, so today I am with AKG Y500 headset. I'm gonna show you how you can enter pairing mode in this device. As you can see, the device is turned on, it's like that, but it's not visible on the list. Even when I refresh, it's still not popping on the available devices list. I cannot connect. So to enter for the pairing mode, you have to focus on this power button and you have to, let me just catch focus because it's out of focus right now. Okay, right now you have to drag this button to the bottom, hold it for a few seconds, and after that, when this indicator starts blinking like that, it means that right now the headset is in the pairing mode and it's visible to other devices. So all you have to do right now, you can just simply refresh the list, or you can power off and power on Bluetooth. As you can see, in my case, the refresh is working, so I can select my headset, click pair, and as you can see, right now I'm connected, and that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.